Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcomes once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, an announcement by the opposition leader Mark Golding that he will forego a percentage of his newly revised salary.
He made the revelation at a press briefing today where the opposition spokesman on finance, Julian Robinson, also defended his initial reaction to the salary increases.
Anthony Lugg has the details.
At first, the parliamentary opposition did not object to the pay hike. Shadow spokesman on finance Julian Robinson spoke on the opposition's behalf at Tuesday's sitting of the lower house. The following day, an about turn on its initial response. Then, on Friday, this announcement from opposition leader Mark Golding.
As leader of the opposition, I must lead by example at a time like this. I will therefore redirect the bulk of the 240+% increase in my pay and retain 20% of that increase and contribute the rest to persons in need and other worthy causes.
In defending the government's decision, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark has said the increase for cabinet members, for instance, was in keeping with the salaries of permanent secretaries. So, what did the opposition know about the increase ahead of the announcement? We put the issue to Mr. Robinson.
So the issue is not that we are objecting to the principle. And I said that in Parliament, where I said I had no issue with that. But we didn't know at the time that it would be placed at the highest end of the band. And there's a disparity of $6 million there, which is a significant one. And so you're dealing with an issue where there's no PS now that is placed at the highest end. Most would have been placed somewhere in the middle or at the lower end. So our call is for not that the principle must be abandoned, but that there be an adjustment to not being at the highest band.
The opposition has maintained that the government must first address the myriad of concerns of many civil servants arising out of the public sector compensation restructuring exercise. The opposition did not provide what would be a workable salary increase for the political directorate. However,
we thought we may have been in the range of somewhere 70 to 100% as an increase. It turned out to be significantly more than that. At that point in time, there was not an opportunity there to have further consultations internally, given the information that would have been received. And as such, subsequent to that and based on additional information and reflection, then there was a, if you want to call a divergence in terms of where we were as opposition.
Despite the public outcry, the government appears to be moving ahead with the increase. We asked the opposition leader whether he would yield to the calls of a rollback of the salaries should the People's National Party form the next government.
At this point in time, I've said that the entire approach to setting the salaries of the political class needs to be reconsidered. I think a mechanism between now and when we form government, a mechanism needs to be developed which has transparency and proportionality and accountability as the guiding principles.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.